Hi, Roger Connect, President, Universal Accounting Center. I'm here at the Royal Creek Ranch, and what we're going to be doing in 2021 is helping you expand your business into an entirely new frontier. The hat is appropriate because we're going to be going Western style. You're going to come out here to a lovely facility where we have a beautiful lodge, wonderful accommodations for you to take part in, but more importantly, rustic activities to actually team build and experience, push yourself to a new level. And for that reason, I invite you to actually register and attend this event May 3rd and 4th here in Utah. This is going to be something that you don't want to miss. And as you work on your business, give you the tools and resources you're needing to take your company to that next level. In fact, it's going to be something that you can experience to improve yourself personally as well. So I invite you to actually come out here and join us at the Royal Creek Ranch and make the most of this experience of making 2021, in fact, a new frontier for you. So with that, keep it in mind, business success is universal.